How to fix Steam not opening on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we will discuss some of the ways to fix this problem. So for the first one, open your Task Manager. So once you have opened Task Manager, search for the Steam application and the task. Then after, right-click on it and end the whole tree and task for Steam. Once that is done, you can close your Task Manager. Then after, press Windows plus R to open the Run tab. On the Run tab, type in %local app data % and hit OK. Now from the app data's local files, search for Steam, right-click the folder and delete it. After that is done, let's move on to the final step. So for that, open the Run tab again, and this time you have to type in Steam flush config and hit the OK button. This will flush the data and update your Steam application. And once it is restarted, the problem should probably be fixed. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.